po, Your
I'm just
Honor.
asking you.
Not po in the context of settlement, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, I move to cite this person in contempt.
And even Ms. Annette Gozon po clarified that po in a public post, and she said po that we did not offer any settlement, nor did she broker any settlement po, Your
I'm
Honor.
just asking you a very simple question, answerable by yes or no.
The answer po is no, Your Honor, because it
Oh, you
wasn't
did
po
not offer.
it wasn't po an offer.
You did not offer, ha?
It wasn't
You did
po
not
an-
offer.
It wasn't po an offer, Your Honor.
O, ano klase yun?
Napag-usapan po siya, nadaanan po siya sa usapan, and then nagaling po siya sa charity event. So, napunta po doon yung conversation, Your Honor.
Sinungaling talaga ito. Scriptwriter ka nga. Sandro,
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
tuloy-tuloy ang pag-inom mo ng wine. Hanggang malasing ka. Nanghina ka ba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Nung pinapasinghot ka nitong dalawa, ano nararamdaman mo? Were you high? Nanghina ka ba?
Namanhid po ako, Your Honor.
Ha?
Minanhid po ako, Your Honor.
Ano to? Namanhid.
Minanhid po.
Namanhid.
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 Yes po, Your Honor.
So, you lie down in the bed. Am I correct? Correct me if I'm wrong. Ha?
Yes po, Your Honor.
And then, when you lie down sa bed, doon nag-umpisa yung sexual harassment.
Hindi po ako nag-lie down.
You,
Hinila po ako sa bed.
hinila ka sa bed.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Sino nang hila sa'yo sa bed?
Jojo Nones po, Your Honor.
Jojo Nones. So, nung hinila ka sa bed, ano, napahiga ka ba? Napaupo ka ba? O ano?
Napahiga po ako.
Napahiga.
Yes po.
Alright. And then, that started everything.
Yes po, Your Honor. I don't wanna go into details po, Your Honor.
Yeah, no, I'm just asking you. That started everything, no? Humiga ka.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Alright. So, you were sexually harassed. Correct?
Yes po, Your Honor.
You deny?
Yes po, Your Honor, we deny allegations po.
Ano ginawa niyo doon sa bata?
Wala po kaming ginawang masama kay Sandro, Your Honor.
Ano nga ginawa niyo? Doon nandun siya.
Wala po, Your Honor.
Really?
Nagkwentuhan.
Really?
We socialized, Your Honor. Yes,
Ah,
Your Honor.
anong pinagkwentuhan ninyo? Sige, interesado ako. Anong pinagkwentuhan ninyo?
Marami po, like, ang simula po,
Ha?
ang mga napag-usapan po namin sa simula yung sa gala, nadapa po si Ipon, tapos, and then yung mga after parties, mga ganun po. Napagkwentuhan po namin yung gala, yung mga events na nangyari during the gala, tapos, and then, yeah, we were drinking, socializing,
O,
listening
Sandro,
to some music.
Sandro, dali lang. Nakapagkwentuhan daw sila sa iyo.
Nakipagkwentuhan po nung una. Pinakilala po ako kay Richard Dode. Pinakilala po ako na si Sandro to. Magaling na artista to. Kinuha ko na to dati sa Agimat na Agila. Magaling na bata na kontrabida to. Si Sandro, anak ni Nino. Ito po yung sabi. Yun po yung sabi niya. Yun na po yung napag-usapan.
Eh, yung kinikwento no? Yung kinikwento ni Mr. Nones ngayon, yung ba pinagkwentuhan ninyo?
Hindi po totoo, Your Honor.
Mr. Nones,
These are allegations po, Your Honor, kasi we were just socializing po. In fact po, during the entire time, nakakapag-text freely po si Sandro. He was texting freely, so wala pong anything that connects to his allegations, Your Honor.
can you repeat it again?
We deny po the allegations kasi po
Ibig sabihin, pinatawag mo yung bata para makapagkwentuhan lang.
hindi ko po siya pinatawag, Your Honor.
Ikaw nga nag-text eh.
Yeah, umakyat po siya on his own volition at sinabi niya po na dadaan.
At his
po siya
own
ng-
volition because you texted him. God damn it, you.
Your Honor, with all due respect po, he said po, aakyat po siya sa grid, dadaan po siya sa grid.
Because you texted him. You were the first one who texted him. Diba? He did not deny it.
Yes, Your Honor.
You were,
There's no direct
you were
invitation.
luring Sandro to go to your room.
There was no luring involved, Your Honor. There was no direct invitation from me.
Eh, ano klaseng tawag yun? You were inviting him.
It was just a conversation. Every text, Your Honor, is in response
Ang
to
hirap
another
sa'yo,
text,
ang dami
Your
mo nang
Honor.
dinilit na messages. Hindi lang naman si Sandro ang tinetext mo eh. Ang dami mo pang mga artistang tinetext eh. Baka makachampa ka eh. Oh no, you tell me the truth. We're here to ferret out the truth. The whole truth and nothing but the truth. Okay? Because if you will continue to lie here before this committee, I have no other choice. I have no other alternative but to cite you in contempt.
I'm not lying po, Your Honor.
Did you harass him?
No po, Your
Sexually
Honor.
harassed?
No po, Your Honor.
Really? Huh? Really? Don't talk. You give advice.
Your Honor, these are the very same issues being investigated by the DOJ right now. So, I keep further answering questions regarding the details. This could incriminate us and could affect our case and defense, Your Honor. These
No,
are...
I'm just asking you practical questions here. It's just answerable by yes or no. Why did you delete your messages? Kung wala ka talaga tinatago.
Yes, Your Honor, na-mention ko na po yun sa previous hearing at sa executive session, Your Honor. This further answering details regarding the case, Your Honor, will violate our right to self-incrimination, Your Honor. And we would like to invoke our right and answer those allegations. We can even provide you with our counter affidavit, Your Honor, once we receive the complaint from the DOJ. But we would like to be given the chance to answer them at the proper forum and know the allegations as well, Your Honor.
Totoo ba? Based on my investigation, sinabi sa'yo, Sandro, ni Jojo Nones, what stays here, what happened here stays here. Kung ano
Ano po
nangyari
yun?
sa kwarto,
Tama po
manangatili sa
yun.
kwarto lang.
Yes po.
Sino
Yes,
nagsabi
po,
nun?
Si Jojo Nones po, Your Honor.
Okay. Si Jojo Nones ang mas agresibo. Pardon my word. Pardon my term.
Parehas po sila, Your Honor.
Pareha silang,
Yes po, Your Honor.
So kasi dito sa investigasyon ko, no, binasa ko rin nung nakaraan. There was really sexual assault. Tinanggal mo yung t-shirt ni Sandro, di ba? Mr. Nones,
No po, Your Honor. Hindi po.
tinanggal mo yung t-shirt.
No po, Your Honor. Hindi po.
Ha?
No po, Your Honor. Hindi po.
Tinanggal ba ang t-shirt mo, Sandro?
Si Richard po yung nagtanggal. Polo po yung tinanggal yung tipo t-shirt, Your Honor. Pero,
Oh, Richard.
Your Honor,
Your Honor, hindi po totoo yun.
Puta, hindi na kayo naawa sa bata. Ayun na. Tapos lahat ng kapabuyan ginawa niyo sa bata. Puta.
Your Honor, with all due respect, please don't judge us. Hindi pa po kami convicted sa case. The case
No, but
has
you're
just been
lying.
filed po. We are not lying,
not judging
Your
you,
Honor.
you're lying.
We're also just defending our side, Your Honor. It is our constitutional right to defend our right, Your Honor. So we are not being disrespectful at all. We're not lying. We're just
Okay. What was the action that GMA 7? What was the action of GMA 7 with regard to the complaint of Sandro?
we were sent a notice to explain, and well,
If indeed these allegations are true. Naman sa, I'm not preempting everything, no? Pero, base sa usap-usapan, base rin sa investigasyon ko, may drugs involved. Okay? Ang tanong, saan mo kinuha drugs? Ha? Saan yung kinuha yung drugs na pinangsinghot niyo rin sa bata? Lured him to take these drugs. Tama. Kapat, ilan taon na ito? 23? Ilan taon ka na ba, Sandro?
23 po, Your
Oh.
Honor.
Ngayon lang siya, umaayaw na nga. Pinilit niya pa. Umayaw na ngang suminghot, pinipilit mo pa.
Your Honor, may I po? With all due respect po, Your Honor, kung yung mga ano niyo po, galing lang po kay Sandro as allegations, Your Honor, they are just allegations.
Excuse
po,
me.
Your Honor.
Hindi galing kay Sandro, investigation ko.
Okay,
Hindi ko makilala yan eh. Ang tatay kilala ko. At hindi, I never interviewed his father. I got this from a different source. During the first hearing. Turuan dito. O ano, Mr. Nones, you still deny the allegations? Ha?
Yes po, Your Honor. Kasi kaming tatlo lang naman po ang nandun sa room, so wala pong ibang source ng information. Your Honor.
Kasi yung ibang investigation ko dito, hindi na for public consumption eh. Kasi hindi na maganda pakinggan eh. I will not go in. Masyado kasi malaswa. Itong ginawa ko investigation. Masyado malaswa. And you still deny na wala kayong ginawang masama dito sa bata. Nakipagkwentuhan lang.
Confirming that they were offering financial contribution to a charitable institution of Niño's Choice, and he declined. And then I was just asking him, yeah, answerable ba yan, sir? Did you offer any financial assistance to any charitable institution? Lagi na dinidira, meron na affidavit. So sinabi rin ni Ninyo.
So, for denying that, sa tingin niyo, sir, nagsinungaling siya kaya kinontempt?
Lagi siya magsisinungaling. May drugs pa involved. Dinideny niya yung nagbigay siya ng 500 peso bill folded like a straw. Tapos pinahit niya yung singhot niya yung bata. The first time lang nung bata. And there was really sexual abuse. There was really sexual abuse. And they kept on denying it. They keep on denying it.
Sir, bakit po si Mr. Nones lang? Bakit po yung isa po, hindi sir?
Hindi naman sasalita isa eh. Diba, baka sumunod na rin yan kasi yung tungkol sa sexual abuse, sexual assault. Kasi pag binasa ko lahat siya, malaswa. Malaswa. Hindi, it's not for public consumption. Ito lang ginawa. Yung detalyadong ginawa sa bata.
Pero sir, sa executive session, dinitali na ni Sandro lahat.
Hindi na, because alam ko na eh. Base sa investigation na ginawa ko, and he confirmed it. Alam ko na.
Si Sandro nagdetalye sa affidavit niya.
Ha?
Si Sandro.
Yes. Pinasa ko affidavit.
Pero sa executive session, hindi na niya yun.
Hindi na. Kasi pinasa ko na affidavit. Consultation, pantalon. Usual. Ang problema kasi dito, this has been going on sa movie industry. Not only males, even females. Siguro na 80s, 90s, pero siyempre gusto ko sumikat. Lapit ako sa mga higher-ups, sa mga director, sa mga kinaukulan para sumikat ako. Ganun lang. Pati babae, hindi lang lalaki.
Sir, hanggang kailan yung po siya ihukom in contempt?
Depende sa chair yan. Hanggang po sabi siya na totoo.
Thank you, sir.